same day. And my Aliexpress has arrived as well. So I'm gonna go pick it up. It's a cold day. We've had like a week and 2 days of good sunlight. And now is a cold day. Oh, he looks good. Not good enough to be my date, but merci beaucoup.
Non. Non, hop, hop, que je fasse une photo.
De moi.
Voilà.
Ok. Au revoir. Bonne journée. So I got my Aliexpress here. This is my mini softbox, and one more thing. Yeah, I remember. I'm gonna see what I'm wearing. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Happy girl with a package.
So happy. See. Same day, and my second order has arrived. Can you guys check out my face right now? This is a filter, but in real life I want to lick it. This tea is so good. I didn't think I was going to like it. I liked the what's the other brand I just twinning red fruit, but I didn't know I was going to like this one. Oh, what was I saying? I like the twinning red fruit, but I didn't know I was going to like this one by Lipton. So good. Okay, let's check out my order. See, intact, no damage. I'm showing this because I have a case against the postal service where one of their employees who was stalking me was pinching my order. Hey girl, I am so happy about this. I don't like this jacket I'm putting on. I was actually going to do the laundry when they called me, so I'm gonna put this in the laundry bag right in front of me. Right in front of you, right in front of me. Okay, guys. And we're looking for some. Somewhere we couldn't be. Ooh, girl. This is true to size. This is what I was expecting. So I think you put it on the stand and then you put the belts on it. It's everywhere. In case you're wondering what it's for. It's for my lights. I'm gonna put this on your face. You see what happened when it came to your face? It was too bright. That's what happens when it comes to my face and it's too bright. So with this now, I need to put it on the tripod stand. So with this now, you see, I have the light and I have the diffuser. Before now, I used to use the white diffuser. So they have a habit of, you know, springing. So this is the one that I was always using, but it came in a different Godox. And it wasn't supposed to be a diffuser. It was supposed to be a reflector, but I kept the reflector somewhere. It had like a silver side and a gold side. You see, even without putting this on the stand, I'm already very comfortable with it. So I'm going to put it on the tripod stand now and show you what the belt does. The belt is really just to help it strap. For those who don't have an idea yet, this is it. So that's what it's going to be doing for me. I love this. You know, I just got it like now from downstairs when they just came. So I'm gonna put it on the stand, and then let me explain the back of it to you. So you see the back here, it's the, I used to know the name of this thing, felt, it's that thing though. So you know, you just take this. What are you supposed to be? Now you just take this and put on top of it. Put here and put here. So now you have an opening here. What is this for? Is to put your stuff. So you just put 4 of them, and I put my lights inside of it. At this point, I also need to buy more lights and new lights, or more lights. You know, so you see now it's in here, and maybe I should put the wings on it. Maybe it's the wings. So maybe it's the wings I'm hanging around it. I don't know. But yeah, because it's kind of bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh, look, it also has something here. I don't know what that is for. You know, in future when I have more gadgets, I'll know what this is for. But in the oh, it's just to keep it straight. It's to keep it. I'm sorry about the light in your face. This is to keep it straight. You know, so now it's straight. Now it's straight. Now it's straight. Oh, exactly. Now it's a box. So you put your light inside. Ooh, ooh, baby, stop. Then you put it on my face. Oh, you see. So it's not, I can look into it and it's not disturbing. So now I can film without having to use that my reflector as a diffuser. So now I use it as a reflector so that the light from here hits the reflector, so I have light from two sides. In the meantime, before I get a different light. But yeah, Aliexpress, I'm very happy about my Yongnuo. I'm happy about my Yongnuo. To undo it, I'm just going to keep this, undo this thing, stretch and leave, stretch and release, put it flat again, and I think it's, yeah, it goes around. No, do this. Be okay. Come on. No, don't struggle with me. Don't struggle with me. Please don't. You're just struggling with me. I got you. I got you. I got you. No, wait. You just want to struggle with me. So I gotta lock your edges in. So if you're struggling with me, you don't hurt me. So it's just. Got it. So now it fits in this thing. Yeah. I am so happy that I have this now. You know what this means. Filming is no longer going to be so stressful. I'm so happy. Yongnuo. Oh, I left that one on the Velcro. That's the name. Velcro is the name. I am so happy. Now, other thing in here is a different package that I don't want you guys to see because it's especially for me. But since we're all checking out whether it's in good condition, let's show you. Good condition, not split, not torn.